Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show a nice math Olympiad problem, how to find the value of x where x times x times x plus x is equal to 68 and x is a natural number. Okay, or x times x times x is x cube plus x is equal to 68 can be written as 64 plus 4, or now we can write here x cube. Now taking this 64 to left side, we can write negative 64 plus this x, and taking this 4 to left side we will get negative 4 is equal to 0, or x cube minus 64 can be written as 4 cube, because 4 cube are same as 64, plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Or now we know a algebraic formula: a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Now apply this formula, we can write x minus 4 times x square times plus x times 4 plus 4 square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x minus 4 times x square plus x times 4 is 4x plus 4 square, that means 16, plus taking common 1 to last two term we will get 1 times x minus 4 is equal to 0. Or now taking common x minus 4, we can write x minus 4 times, taking common x minus 4, here we will get x square plus 4x plus 16, x square plus 4x plus 16, and here we will get 1 is equal to 0. Or x minus 4 times x square plus 4x plus 16 plus 1 is 17 is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x square plus 4x plus 17 is equal to 0. Or now x, now taking this negative 4 to right side we will get 4, so the first value of x is equal to 4, and it is a real solution. Now from here we can use quadratic formula, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to positive 4, and c is equal to positive 17. Or x is equal to minus b that means 4, plus or minus square root of b square that means 4 square minus 4 times a that means 1 times c that means 17 over 2 times a that means 2 times 1. Or x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 17 is 68 over 2 times 1 is 2. Or x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 6 minus 8 is 2, negative 52 over 2, or x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of this 52 can be written, negative 52 can be written as 50 times negative 1 over 2, or x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 52 times square root of negative 1 over 2. So here we will get x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 52 I over 2. But this is rejected because here is an imaginary value. So our final answer is x is equal to 4. Now check. Our questions is x times x times x plus x is equal to 68. X times x times x plus x is equal to 68. Here x is equal to 4, so we can write here 4 times 4 times 4 plus 4 is it equal to 68, or 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64.